May 30, 2024. Good luck na skill players. And now let's place Motor Lottery, the 4 p.m. draw, Muntinlupa City.
Solo niya yung laban. Solo niya lang yung laban.
Veintidós.
$26.
First winning number is number 26. 26. Alamin po naman natin ang susunod na winning number.
Ahem. 26. Dami yan. Dami na muro dito. 26. Ano naman, naparisan. $21, $31.
Second winning number is number 21. The winning combinations for today's 4 p.m. draw, 26 and 21.